dear friends. Togetherness is a happy feeling of love and affection to people with whom you share a strong bond of closeness, both in exuberance and distress. Togetherness provides us with a sense of security, belongingness, support, and gives us strength in the hour of tide.
Togetherness forms the essence of human life in the beginning, in the end, and throughout the in-between phases. It shows how important it is to stay connected, stay together. So with the thoughts and words of togetherness that shows united we stand, divided we fall.
Dream of what I wanna be. I wanna be free. That's what my heart keeps telling me. Give me your hand, we'll find a way. If people out there, we feel the same. If we help each other, I just know we can succeed. We are one, but we are different. We're from all around the world. We share the same sun, we share the same ocean. We are every boy and girl. Come together and share dreams to be among the stars. And we know that it's destiny, and we are unity. We are unity.
I represent farmers around the world. We will fertilize the soil and produce crops using organic farming fertilizer and organic fertilizer. Our goal is to provide clean food to all. So let's move forward together.
I am the representative from the healthcare sector. We are the ones who work day and night, sacrificing our own needs and desire. Collaborate with our own efforts. Together, we can change the world.
I am a teacher. Teachers are truly a backbone of tomorrow. A teacher can provide the power of education to today's children, thereby giving them the responsibility for a better future. Are you ready? Together we can change the world.
I am a representative of the students. Students cannot live in complete isolation from a community life. A school-going student is bound to have links with other people who together form a concrete society. Students should help in the formation of effective public opinion on different recent issues. Together we can change the world.
Hi, I am a taxi driver. We are dedicated to provide professional and courteous services to all passengers. We have to drive safely and obey the traffic laws and respect the right of the other drivers. Unite and the role of the wheel.
I am a singer. Singer can play one of the most important roles in our society. We can reshape our world into a better place, where once again freedom of thought and the real communication can be disseminated through song and the universal language of realism. Together we can sing the song of unity.
I am a lawyer. An advocate shall endeavor to make laws suitable to the well-being of the people. An advocate should guard liberty and freedom of the people. An advocate should protect the fundamental human rights and respect the constitution of the nation. Together, we can move without any objections.
I am a housewife, representative of the homemakers. We are managing our family by caring our children and parents, cooking, storing food for the family, cleaning, scheduling and coordinating household activities, etc. etc. So unite and fill our tomorrows with hope.
I am a dancer. Dance is the queen of art. Dance is an amazing art form which promotes togetherness, creativity, unity, improvisational skills, and critical thinking. Dance awakens new perspectives in individuals which help them to think in new ways and definitely influence the society in a very positive manner. Together, we can change the world.
I am soldier. A soldier is the pride of her nation. A soldier is the most disciplined and faithful person in the nation. As a member of a team, soldiers must work together cohesively to accomplish everyday tasks, jobs, assignments, and special missions. Together, we can open the doors of tomorrow. Thank you.
I am a business magnate. Honesty and hard work helped me to reach this position. Today, under me, a lot of workers are working. I understand their efforts are the real reason for my success. I respect workers. In their welfare, I am extremely attentive. Get ready. Let us create a better tomorrow.
I am a police officer, representative of the total police force. We protect the public from crimes, violence, and other harmful activities. Police officers must act in accordance of law and should ensure that it is respected and applied in manner consistent with their level of responsibility. Together, we can salute for tomorrow.
A dream you dream alone is only a dream. A dream you dream together is a reality. Get up and make it happen. Thank you.